Start, sir.
Sit down, everybody. Okay. So, sit properly. UKG class. Today is, I think, your last day in your school. Like after today, you will take your final exams, and after that you would move to your new school. Okay. So over there, what you have to do is like study properly. Okay. Respect your teachers, respect your friends. Okay, like your classmates over there. Okay.
Okay.
And one thing is also there, don't make noise in your new school. As you're not making noise here also, you sit properly in the class, attend your all lectures properly. So same thing you should follow in your new school as well. Okay, fine. And you studied up to UKG class in our school, so you would promote into higher class, like in first class. So there would be questions to you, there would be different chapters you would have over there, maths different and higher questions would be there. Okay, do hard work over there. Okay, and write properly on your copies, in your copies. Okay, understand? Don't make your copies dirty or don't tear them. Okay, with that, make a timetable. Okay, study according to your timetable at your home, like at proper time you must study. Okay, and one thing is also there, in your new school you would have a canteen. In canteen you can buy a lot of things like snacks. Sit properly, sit properly. Snacks, burgers, hot dogs, and a lot of food items like this you would see over there. So don't eat these items too much. Okay, eat fruits. Sit properly, beta, don't do this. Eat fruits over there. Okay, because fruits are very very energetic, they keep your body fit and your mind as well. Okay, understand? Sit properly, Vanya. Put your hands down. Understand? So in this school I taught, I have been teaching you for a long time, and you have been a very good student. Like Rahat performed very well. She spoke properly in all competitions and answered me all the questions I used to ask her. Inaya is also very good and intelligent student. Job Rose, Arish, all students are very intelligent. Understand? So in the similar way, you must repeat the same performances over there in your new school. Okay? Because your parents and we have a lot of expectations from you, that when you would move to another school, your school's teachers, new school teachers would appreciate our efforts. That yes, in their previous school, their teachers taught them very well, properly. That's why they are in full discipline. Understand? So this is very crucial. You are all stars of our school. Remember our school, because this is the school where you started your learning process. Okay? And also, whenever you will have time in your new school, during holidays or like on some occasions, must visit this school. Okay? And try to meet your teachers, wish them. Okay? And whenever you meet your teachers outside, must greet them. Say good morning, ma'am, good evening, ma'am, like that. Okay? So I hope that you would perform very well in your new school. Understand? So best of luck for your new class, and thank you. And I would also remember all of you, because the people we spend time with them, we cannot forget that time we spend with people in our life. And especially if someone is a student. Okay, pause it.